Alright, so this is Highway 112 in far western New Hampshire. I'm on the way to Vermont this morning. Today is a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. I remember that it's Wednesday somehow. But I'm headed to Vermont just because. I'm headed to Vermont just because. I've got to kind of stick around here in, there's the Appalachian Trail and some hikers. I've got to stick around here for a little bit just because paperwork on the sale of my house, I'm doing a remote closing, so they have to send stuff to me for the closing, so I have to be in a fixed address for a few days just to wait to get it. But this is the Lost River area of western New Hampshire. Really pretty. This is, so 112 is also the Kangamangas Highway. I have no idea what a Kangamangas is. I mean, it sounds like a kangaroo that might give you a skin rash. Kangamangas, or a disease that you might catch from a kangaroo, something. But really beautiful roads, but it does remind me a lot of North Georgia. Same Appalachian mountain chain. These up here are a little bit more glaciated, and I'm going down, 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 down. Yep. Down, 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 down. Wow. I guess Lost River is at the bottom of this deep valley. I don't know. I'll check in later. Here is not so beautiful downtown Woodsville, New Hampshire. And but there is this super cool bridge right here that I wanted to show you. And here it is. It's the Veterans Memorial Bridge. Wow. Look, there's another older bridge. Wow, how cool is that? Nice scene. All right, and welcome to Vermont. So here I am in Vermont. Oh, man, you can just smell the maple syrup. I'll check in a little bit later in Vermont. We'll see what Hawk finds here. Yeah. So this is a little man-made reservoir, or that's redundant. Man-made lake, aka a reservoir on the border of New Hampshire and Vermont. Really beautiful. I don't know if it's for power generation or what. Looks like it, maybe. No one is coming, so. But there's, I'm looking for moose. I don't see any moose yet, but it's early. Anyway, really pretty area. I'm finding that Vermont is a little less mountainous than New Hampshire, but again, I'm looking at the most mountainous section of New Hampshire. But I am gonna just pop a quick Yui here. Yeah, just like a boss. There's the dam. Damn. Wow, it's pretty. And no one is here. Traffic is crazy light. I'm driving up US 5, which is a US route, but it's 2-lane, and it runs along. This is actually the Connecticut River, so that's where I'm riding. Versus I-91, I think it is. I'm just avoiding that. But I find Vermont to be charming, just not that exciting to ride in yet. But I understand that the Green Mountains are here in Vermont, so I will try to find the Green Mountains and get in them and ride. Maybe I'll check in from there. See you in a bit. Well, this is downtown Montpelier, Vermont, the capital of Vermont. Population, couple of dozen. It's pretty exciting. Well, it says 2 US 89, but there's the state capitol over there, a giant gold dome, pretty fancy. And I'm gonna stop to check my map, because that's something I need to do. So I'm gonna stop over. So there it is, the state capitol, with woods right behind it. That's crazy. Wow, it's tiny, but okay, whatever. I'm looking at a map, because that's what I do now. I look at maps. Huh. I'm a little lost. Not bad, just a little. Just not super clear here. I'm looking for this red road right there. Don't see it. All these roads are paved black. They're not red. So I'm totally lost. They should color code the roads. Just kidding. Okay, so Montpelier, Vermont. I am now about a mile, well, 2 miles south of the actual Capitol building. And this is the scene. That is, wow. What? Like, really? Yeah. Crazy. But okay. Sure. So pretty much all over New England you run into things like this. Covered bridges. Kind of everywhere. Very common. Horses have to walk. So here's one covered bridge. And oh, there's another one within sight. Isn't that funny? Wow, cool. So this bridge, okay, all right. Well, super cool, covered bridge. I'm just gonna make a U-turn and do that again, because I just saw it from the main road, and by main road I mean like the Vermont 12, which is hardly a main road. Hi, horses. How's it going? Huh. Wow, beautiful. I think I'll pull up here and take a picture. Yeah. Got my camera ready. Boom, boom. There was a time when a sign like that, pavement ends, would turn me back. But I'm on this Africa Twin DCT, and it handles just fine. So the reward for that little short piece of gravel is this beautiful view of the Green Mountains. Oh my gosh. That is, oh my gosh. It's beautiful. There's, it's just, okay. Yeah, I'll take it. Sure. Let's go explore in the Green Mountains for a little bit. This will be fun. Yeah, that gravel, that was easy. The motorcycle did great. So I'm gonna unpush the gravel button. I'm gonna go back to mode, and I'm gonna change the mode back to, oh, you know what? I'm gonna change the mode back to tour. And that's what we're doing. Anyway, wow. Nice little piece of road I found. Lucky me. Cool.
Hey riders, thanks very much for watching that video in its entirety. If you would, click over here on the subscribe button, and then the button just to the right of it, that is the bell button, and if you press that, that lets YouTube know that you want to know what I've been up to on this particular channel. So every time I post something new, they'll alert you, and that's cool. Because if I'm just doing this for me, I'm not going to be doing this. So please subscribe, be aware, know what's going on. Also below, you're going to find my channels to my social media, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that shizzle bedrizzle. You can sign up for those too. Stay alert, stay aware of what's going on. Also, I'm going to share the link to Motohawk.com. That's where you can go to make me be your ride guide to the Southeast United States. If you're traveling in North Georgia, East Tennessee, Western North Carolina, Virginia, or West Virginia on 2 wheels, let me help you out. I've got 3 great books. They're available on the website, and there's some other cool information to share on the website too. All right, I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Be safe, ride smart, but have a great time.